Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find the factory reset options for the Nintendo Switch 2, which also includes the options to delete all other kinds of data from your Switch individually. So to find this information, all you have to do is go to the System Settings, and then scroll all the way down the left-hand sidebar to the very bottom under System, and then on the very bottom of the System Settings is the Data Clear Options button. Give that a press, and then here you'll find at the very bottom the Restore Factory Settings button. If you click this and then confirm your request, it'll then factory reset your Switch, just like it's brand new, fresh out of the box. Now, there are a few other useful settings in here, including the Clear Cache button, which will clear your saved IDs, passwords, cookies, history, and other cached website data from the browser, which is kind of built into a couple different apps. That'll just require you to do things like re-log into your Nintendo account, but that's kind of no big deal. Then you have the option to clear your keyboard history. This is the saved information that controls things like auto-completing text and predictive text settings. This is stuff that's stored on your Nintendo account, but it'll also clear everything out if you clear it from here. Then you can clear your micro SD card data, which will just wipe the SD card like it's fresh. And then, of course, the one that we came here for, which was the Restore Factory Settings button. And then that's it. That's where all those things are at the bottom of your System tab inside of the System Settings. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.